Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara, where we bring creativity to life one stitch at a time. I am Zara and today I am excited to show you how to crochet this stylish and comfortable headband. This crochet headband is a quick and fun project perfect for adding a handmade touch to your outfit. Whether you are looking to keep your hair in place or add a cozy accessory to your wardrobe, this headband is the perfect project. Grab your hook and yarn and let's get started. For this project I am using this yarn, a 4-ply yarn, a scissor, a weaving needle and 4.5 mm hook and a measuring tape. Now let's get started by making a chain having length 21 inches. It's according to the size of my head circumference. If you have a larger or smaller head circumference, you can adjust it according to your head size, but I am going to make 21 inches long chain. Now insert the hook. Now take the yarn and make a slip knot. Insert the hook into the loop and tighten the knot. Now work chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 I am going to make chain length 21 inches. Okay, I will meet you after making a chain 21 inches long. Now I have worked 85 chain, approximately the length of 21 inches. Now we will work single crochet. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. You can skip one. Now this is second. This is this chain we are going to skip. Now insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Pull up the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now this stitch is called single crochet. Now again we are going to work single crochet. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the yarn. Now you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now in the same way work single crochet till you reach the end. If you are a beginner, this project is really for you. You can easily start with your first project with this headband. In this headband I am going to use only one stitch single crochet, so it's really for you beginners. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now that I have reached the end, now chain 1 and turn your work. Now you can see we have a stitch. We will insert the hook under this stitch. Now insert the hook under the stitch. Pull up the loop. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. In the same way, we insert the hook under the stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Pull up the loop under the stitch, now pull through 2. This stitch is called single crochet. Now we have to work single crochet until we reach the desired width. We are going to the width of 5 inches. I think 5 inches are enough, or 4 inches. It's up to you. Now keep going by working single crochet in each stitch until you reach the end. Now again, after reaching the end of the row, chain 1 and turn, and again work single crochet. Okay, I will meet you at the end of the row. Now I have reached the end. Now again chain 1 and turn. Now currently I am on the row 3. Now just insert the hook into the first stitch, pull up the loop and pull through 2. Again work single crochet. Keep going working single crochet until you reach the width of 4 inches. Now if we put the band on it's approximately 1 inch. Now I will meet you until I reach the width of 4 inches. Okay, I will meet you then. Now I have reached approx the width of 4 inches. It's a little less than 4 inches. Now it's time to join just make the loop a little and pass the whole ball through it so it will lock the end. Now cut the yarn at this point. You have a thread to sew the. Now just put the band right side facing you or good side, whatever you say. Now take both the ends and fold it in such a way. You can see this is the right side and fold it into this way, and in the same way also fold it. Now after folding, just open the fold and put it in such a way, and now sew the foldings. Now turn it into the right side. You can see this band is according to my head circumference. And there you have it. This crochet headband is not only easy to make but also incredibly versatile. It's the perfect accessory for any season. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I would love to see your finished headband, so be sure to share your creations in the comments below or tag me on Instagram at @crochetwithzara. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crocheters, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you can never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next video. Until then, watch the video of your own choice given on the screen.